Today again I'm back in the kitchen and I'll be cooking for my wife. And this time around we are going to be cooking something else, something that we haven't done in this channel before.
With me, stay with me, yeah, stay with me.
These are 2 yams. We are going to be cooking pepper soup yams because this is a pot of goat meat and we have all our pepper soup spices right here. So today we are doing magic. Okay, let's break it down a little bit, guys. So recently I had a car accident and this has changed my life in a lot of different ways. I've been staying at home doing almost nothing at all. So it only feels better to do something for my wife because now she's doing all the manly duties. She goes to work, I just stay at home and do nothing at all. So today we are changing that. Today let's get creative. Let's do something lovely and enjoyable, right? Even though before the accident I still be at home, but you know I use like my mind, I trade. But right now the accident kind of messed up my mind a little bit, you know, give me some stress here and there. You know, thank God the physical injuries that was there wasn't too huge and I've been recovering from that. Thank God I'm able to walk in the kitchen and do something like this. But anyway guys, I didn't learn how to cook from anywhere at all. I never learned how to cook. Growing up in a community where all the women cook, fortunately for me, I grew up around my mom and my sister. Shout out to them, man. So I learned a lot about cooking, not like direct learning, but just seeing them doing it. Makes me to be able to just get around the kitchen and make something out of it and it become good food. So actually I don't know how to make this meal. I've never done it before, but I did some research. I know all the spices to do it, but since I'm from Cameroon, I know how to revolve around pepper soup. So guys, that's how I make the other food and actually she love it and I'm like, I surprise her with it and see how she actually feels about it. Why not do another one? Because this is even more nicer. This is pepper soup. I'm in love with it. I love it so much. The other conchab I didn't even like it like that, but this one I love pepper soup so much. So today we are going to be cooking this step by step. Okay, cook along with us. Let's see if I'm on the right track, if you know how to cook this food. On the other hand, if you want to learn how to cook this food, we will show you guys the step which we take in cooking this food because it's actually very simple. It's not that hard. The step I use, my recipe, and definitely I know it's gonna be good because I've never actually made anything not good. Anything that I've touched around the kitchen is always good.
Very good.
Yeah, stay with me, stay with me, yeah, stay with me, stay.
We are going to start with our meat. Already I've washed the meat. I'm going to take these 2 seasoning cubes, Maggi, and put in pot. Secondly, I blend my pepper, ginger, and garlic and add it to the pot. Couple with this peper spices, bush pepper, and country onions. Since this already blend, I will join these 2 to blend with this. And some jamsa, guys. You guys know my dad visited us a couple of weeks ago, and he brought us some different jamsa from Cameroon. And guess who?
Who?
It's my dad.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Some of you might be from Cameroon, so we are going to be using this on this meal today to cook this food. So to make the sauce a little bit thicker, you know, even though the yams actually will make the sauce thicker, when you use gasa, it also add flavor to the food. So I'm going to be blending this along with this heavy and all the spices together in my blender right here. I'm going to be blending it all together there with some water so that it can blend this because this is actually hard to blend by itself. After I do that, I'll update you guys with what I do next because after that it's just boiling. Now that I've blended the spices, I'm going to go on and add it inside the meat that is already being cooked with the seasoning cube and salt. I'm going to add the spices in there right now. This is so thick, guys, so thick. So I'm add some water there and rinse it and pour it into the pot. Okay. And this is how it's looking right now, guys. This is how it's looking right now. I'm going to have this cook on medium for like 10 minutes while I peel the yams. Look at how it looks, guys. It looks so good. It looks like it's about to be dry as how I wanted it to be. Since I'm done peeling and washing my yams, I'm going to add it into the pot right now because oh my god, this already smells so good. Thanks my dad for bringing this jansa. It smells so naturally, like the one exactly from Cameroon. I don't know what we have been buying because the one that we have been buying doesn't smell like this, doesn't give that natural flavor like this. But this one, oh my god, I can feel it in my veins. So guys, this is actually one of the main ingredients on this food, okay? The carbohydrate is right now, as you can see, everything is now fitted in the pot, and we're gonna have this cook about 15 to 20 minutes on medium, actually, until we make sure everything is well cooked and ready. So what's up, guys? What we have all been waiting for the whole time is right here. Currently the food is ready. This is how everything looks, guys. Yes, guys, let me tell you guys a little secret, okay? So as you guys are currently seeing this food, I'll put a little bit of oil there on the finishing touches, but traditionally pepper soup does not require oil. I only put a little bit of oil there because I'm an oil guy, okay? I love to put oil on my food, and I mean not a lot of oil, just give it some extra flavor, some extra texture. And guys, this is currently it, man. My mouth is so watering, I'm so hungry, I can't even wait for my wife to come back from work before we eat this food together. Sorry man, I'm going to eat mine first, okay? I will show you guys the reaction when she come, okay? Because I already know this food is good, okay? No matter what, this food is good. I don't care how it might taste, it is good. So we will have her tell us how it tastes like. I mean, she have no idea that I'm even making food. The other one, she even have a little bit clue, but she have no idea that I'm making food. And pepper soup for that matter. So guys, stay tuned, don't miss her reaction because she's going to be the one to rate this food, okay? So my dog, guys, I'll tell you guys that this food didn't take a lot of time. It actually was fun making it. It's so delicious. And if you want to use my recipe, come on guys, it's very easy. Just few steps and you have a full pot of food in your front, because this is going to take us about 2 days to eat this food. How much did I spend on making and putting all this together? Not up to $100. I mean, if you want to add my label here, but not up to $100. And this is full authentic African food right here, and it's ready to be eaten maybe 3 days. It's just 2 of us. So, and this yams actually get you full faster. So try cooking at home, guys, and it's actually fun, and it saves a lot of money, save time, I would say, because it didn't take a lot of time. It's just good when you know what you're eating yourself because you make it yourself, and it's a habit too. So who knows, that this might end up being my new job. I might end up going into restaurant business. Which of you think I might be a good chef? Comment down below if you think I might be a good chef. Come on. What does it smell like? Well, look, before looking at it, what does it smell like?
Potatoes.
Potatoes? What type of potatoes?
Rolling cocoa.
What?
Rolling cocoa.
What?
Turning cocoa.
How is potatoes turning cocoa?
Potatoes. I don't know, baby.
So potatoes are turning cocoa?
Potatoes.
What type of potatoes?
Papa.
What?
Papa.
What?
I smelled this, but I don't know the name.
It's a hot pot.
Hot pot. No, not hot pot. Yeah, hot pot. Hot pot!
Okay, go change, wash your hands, and let me surprise you with what I make.
Okay.
You thought?
This my own?
Yes.
No, we sharing.
So how do you think about your guests? How close were you?
I was close, right?
You was close to what? What is this? Do you know what is this?
Goat meat,
And what?
porridge potatoes,
And what?
and that cocoyam, so porridge potatoes. That's
How does it
cocoyam.
look to you? What does it look like?
It looks like Sam's Club potatoes.
What?
This is potatoes.
Sam's Club potatoes. How does Sam's
They
Club
be
potatoes look like? Oh. How well do you know African food?
Goat meat. Baby, this is something cocoa.
cocoa.
No, it's not. This is pepper soup.
Pepper
This
soup,
is
yes.
pepper soup
Yes, pepper soup what?
with goat.
Yes, and what?
Huh?
And what?
Potatoes. This not yams. Can I try it?
That's yams.
Oh, I kept saying yams, babe.
Where did you say yams? You say cocoa yams. This is
now I
yams.
smell peppers. Pepper soup.
Yes, come on, try it. Let's see. I didn't try it on camera. Try it. Let's see.
Try it.
Yeah, I put my foot there.
Put your foot in there. That literally.
You have been cooking pepper soup. Now cook pepper. Eat pepper soup that I cook. Let's see what you can, if you can differentiate. Try the meat. The fork. Use the fork to get the meat, and try everything. Make sure you.
It's my own plate.
Yes, that's you. That's you, baby. And this water, because I know you're gonna need some water.
Very good.
You sure? Don't just say it for the camera. Rate it on the scale of 1 to 10. You sure?
Yes. I rate it from a 20 out of 10.
You know, you never make anyone like that, huh?
What?
You never make anyone like that.
I never make it like this.
Have you? I'm asking. That one video was less than yours.
I never made it with coffee yums.
With yams. No, I'm saying like pepper soup in general. That one
I
and
make it
yours.
this good. Batman.
You do not tell me. I won't be mad if you say yours is more.
This was actually good now. Delicious.
Guess what? I've never learned how to make pepper soup. I've never learned how
By
to.
yourself?
Yes, I just did it. You know, like I said to the people in the camera, being a Cameroonian, when you grow up around women, you know how to get around the kitchen, and that looks super good, man. Super
Very
good.
good.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay. Now you
Thank
can
you,
hear.
baby.
You can feel the pepper, huh? Okay.
The best part.
That's why it's called pepper soup.
This is good. Thank you, baby.
Yes.
I was so hungry.
That's the least I can do for you. Take time. That's why I put you how many pieces of yams. A lot of yams. Take your time and eat it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. When you're done eating, you come, let me give you a massage. Oh, are you comfortable eating while I give you a massage? Come on.
I'm very young. I had a long day.
Yes. Yes, I got you.
Baby, what you do? Why you doing all this streaming? I said, what you do?
I ain't doing nothing. I'm just trying to be good. To appreciate you, okay? To appreciate you for who you are. Very hardworking woman.
I like that.
Beautiful. Sexy. You know how to grind it.
Baby, that's TMI.
You know how to put it on me.
Oh, Jesus.
You know how to do everything, okay? You are going to be a very great mom to our kids.
Ooh. Man, I'm
So whoever those kids are going to be,
Whoever those kids,
are going to be lucky.
those kids,
Them kids. They haven't come here, yeah. Like whoever they are going to be, you guys are going to have a good mom. Okay.
and a great father. So good, baby.
Yeah, take your time. I got you all day, okay? All day. Until you're done eating, I won't stop the massage. Yeah.
Maybe until then.
Do you need water? Got you.
Someone then.
Let me get you extra bottle for reserve.
Yes, please.
Yeah, because I know this is pepper soup. This is not just pepper. This is not just soup. This is not just name pepper soup. This is pepper soup.
Pepper soup. Got the little gold
Yes.
spoon and fork.
Yes. You
Baby.
need more sauce. I'm gonna give you more sauce. It's really spicy, huh? I use some sacred spices there.
Huh?
Some sacred ingredients.
Okay.
Some
Can I know?
No, you can't.
Baby.
Yeah.
What you put in it?
Does it
Is
taste
it
good or
good?
not?
I'm scared now. I think I'm tasting something else.
I use the John Sada my dad brought.
Oh, the fresh from Cameroon.
That tastes and smells really good, like original one from Cameroon. The other ones I will be buying in the market, I don't know what it be, but
It don't be fresh. Maybe. I'm a bit busy. Oh, my lips. Baby. I love it.
I love you. I love you. I'm trying to blow it. So guys, she love it, man. It means I did a great job, okay?
Yeah, she did a great
So
job.
you guys let me know what to make next time because this was definitely amazing.
My new chef.
Yeah. Yeah, like I told them, this might end up being my new profession. You know.
Thank
After
you
I
so
come
much.
out, I break the middle
Maybe,
back.
okay.
I break the middle back, okay?
The lower,
Yeah, the lower,
the spine, the
the
core.
rest of down part.
Baby.
Yes,
I don't know.
you know. Now that you've watched this video to the end, you've seen all the process that I've taken, and what do you have to say about this video, guys? If you want me to make more food, comment down what you want me to do, what you want me to cook, and what else I should add on my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you'll be the first to watch our next video.